How to revise what you studied. Revise your study like this and become topper. Many of you are struggling to recall key concepts and worrying that we'll forget everything we've learned. But revision doesn't have to be a stressful and ineffective process. Today we want to share with you some practical tips and strategies on how to revise what you've studied so that you can retain information, build confidence, and achieve your academic goals. Whether you're a seasoned student or just starting out, these techniques will help you to review and reinforce your knowledge and make the most out of your study time. So let's get started. Revising what you've studied is an essential part of the learning process. It helps solidify information in your long-term memory, identifies areas where you need more practice, and boosts your confidence for exams. Here are some effective ways to revise what you've studied. 1. Meditation for 10 minutes. World. Our minds are constantly racing, making it challenging to focus and absorb new information. Meditation helps calm the mind, clarifying thoughts and increasing concentration. Meditation helps to improve focus, train your mind to stay present and engaged, and also boost your memory, attention, and processing speed. It increases self-awareness, better understanding your thoughts, emotions, and learning style. Meditation helps to boost creativity, allow your mind to wander and explore new ideas. Incorporating meditation into your study routine can have a great impact on your academic performance and all areas in your life. Take just a few minutes each day to sit, breathe, and focus. Your mind and grades will thank you. 2. Pray. When we take a moment to connect with a higher power, we invite divine guidance, wisdom, and clarity into our minds. This helps us to approach our studies with a sense of calm, focus, and purpose. By acknowledging that our abilities and knowledge come from a higher source, we cultivate humility and gratitude, recognizing that we are not alone in our pursuit of knowledge. Prayer before study also helps us to clarify our thoughts, prioritize our tasks, and stay motivated. It's easy to get bogged down in the demands of academic life, but prayer helps us to keep things in perspective, reminding us of our goals and aspirations. Moreover, prayer has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, improve retention and recall, and even boost our creativity and problem-solving skills. By praying before study, we create a cool learning environment that fosters growth, understanding, and success. Praying before study is an act of faith, hope, and love. It's a declaration that we trust in a higher power, that we have hope for a brighter future, and that we love learning and growing. So, take a moment each day to pray, breathe deeply, and connect with the divine. Your studies and life will flourish as a result. 3. Drink enough water. Drinking enough water before study is a simple yet effective way to boost your academic performance and enhance your learning experience. When you're hydrated, your brain functions at its best, allowing you to focus, concentrate, and absorb information more effectively. Water helps to flush out toxins and waste products from your brain, making it easier to stay alert and focused during long study sessions. Drinking enough water before study also helps to improve your memory and cognitive function. Proper hydration increases the production of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, which play a crucial role in learning and memory consolidation. When you're well hydrated, you're able to think more clearly, make connections between ideas, and retain information more effectively. Moreover, drinking water before study helps to reduce stress and anxiety, creating a calm and relaxed state that's ideal for learning. The Pomodoro Technique. This technique is not only just about studying, it's about building discipline, self-control, and responsibility. By committing to a regular study schedule, you'll develop a sense of accountability, helping you stay motivated and driven. You'll overcome procrastination, Make study sessions feel less daunting and complete your study routine. By incorporating this technique into your study routine, you'll experience significant improvements in your academic performance, leading to greater confidence and success. 5. Mind mapping, Wanai visualization. Mind mapping is a visual technique that involves creating a diagram to connect ideas, concepts, and information. By using mind mapping, you can organize your thoughts, identify relationships between ideas, and retain information more effectively. This technique helps you to see the big picture, make connections, and review material quickly. Visualization is another powerful technique that involves using mental images to remember information. By visualizing concepts, processes, and relationships, you can encode information in your brain more effectively, recall it with ease, and apply it in practical situations. Visualization helps you to make information more meaningful, memorable, and engaging. By using these techniques, you can create a more engaging, interactive, and effective learning experience. You'll be able to review material quickly, recall information with ease, and apply what you've learned in practical situations. These techniques are easy to learn, fun to use, and can be adapted to fit your individual needs. By incorporating them into your study routine, you'll experience significant improvements in your academic performance, leading to greater confidence and success. 6. Self-questioning. By asking yourself questions like, what is the main idea of this chapter? Logically, how does this concept relate to what I learned earlier? Zrenia, or what are the key points of this article? You can engage more actively with the material, identify areas where you need more practice or review, and solidify your understanding of complex concepts. Self-questioning helps you to stay focused, retain information better, and develop a deeper understanding of the subject matter. It also enables you to identify your strengths and weaknesses, adjust your study strategy accordingly, and make the most out of your study time. Moreover, self-questioning cultivates critical thinking, analytical skills, and problem-solving abilities, which are essential for academic success and real-world applications. By asking yourself questions, you learn to think more critically, evaluate information more effectively, and approach challenges with confidence. 7. Practice, 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 and review. Practice is the key to mastering any subject, and it's the most effective way to become a topper in your studies. When you practice regularly, you reinforce your learning, identify areas where you need improvement, and develop a deeper understanding of complex concepts. Practice helps to build confidence, fluency, and accuracy, which are essential for excelling in exams and academics. The more you practice, the more comfortable you become with the material, and the easier it is to recall information when it matters most. Moreover, practice helps to identify knowledge gaps and areas where you need more focus. By practicing consistently, you can pinpoint your weaknesses and work on improving them, ensuring that you're well prepared for exams and assessments. Practice also helps to reduce stress and anxiety, as you'll feel more in control and prepared for whatever comes your way. Remember, practice is the bridge between learning and achieving academic success. By practicing consistently, you'll be well on your way to becoming a topper in your studies. Revision is not just about rereading your notes, it's about actively engaging with the material, identifying areas where you need more practice, and adjusting your study strategy accordingly. By making revision a habit, you'll be able to retain information more effectively, achieve better grades, and develop a lifelong love of learning. So, don't wait until the last minute to start revising. Make revision a regular part of your study routine, and you'll see the benefits for yourself. Stay consistent, stay focused, and most importantly, stay committed to your goals. With effective revision techniques and a willingness to learn, you'll be unstoppable,